Hey everyone, and welcome to Helpwire review. In this video I'll show you how to download it and of course how to use it, how to also connect to your partner or maybe to someone you wish to provide support or receive support from them. So guys, the app is very straightforward, but it may be a little misleading at first, and I will just clear all the dust so you can understand exactly how to use it and how to connect. So firstly guys, of course, as you can see, it's a remote support software. So it allows you to control someone else's PC or have someone to control yours. And to start, just download quick support, press on this button and download for Windows. So guys, this app doesn't require installation, so it's not creating any garbage in your system or registry, which is great. If you want to log in to someone else's PC, you just need to open up this window, which will appear when you launch the app, as you can see, Helpwire, and then copy this link, okay? And then go ahead and send this link to your recipient, who is going to be the person that you will control their PC. So they open up this link, they approve your connection. We also, guys, have already made a tutorial on how to connect, where I show how to connect really. I have a partner there in that video that helped me, so you just copy this link and send them to your partner, and after that they just open up a browser, insert this link. Of course it's my link, it's not going to do anything, but they open up a link and they connect to you. You connect to them, and if you want to connect to them, you do it basically vice versa. You ask the link from them, they give it to you, you insert it just like I did now, open up a window in the browser, and they can just after that accept your connection request and you control their PC. So also, in terms of the platforms, as you can see, macOS, Windows and Linux are available now. As far as I'm concerned, I guess there's no Android, like there's no phone app yet. But as you can see, if we go to the pricing, they are currently in development in general, so it's a kind of early stages of this app. They also already have multiple users, a lot of users satisfied actually, but yeah, in general it's just still in development, but it fully works even now, don't worry about that. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. If you're looking for an alternative maybe to a TeamViewer, this is going to be the app for you. So if you enjoyed guys this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you soon.